Hey everyone, today we're checking out this new robotic pool cleaner from iGarden. They sent this out for us to check out, so I wanted to thank them for sending it to us. It was still pretty chilly up here in central PA, so I actually had my brother-in-law down in Florida do the pool testing for me on this one. First impressions right out of the box, it's got a really sleek look to it, almost like a little race car. Honestly, this thing looks pretty high-end and definitely doesn't have that bulky pool cleaner look to it. It has this beautiful shiny red color, which I think looks great. You've got a full touch interface right on top, and there's also an app, which is probably what you're going to use most of the time. Setup is super straightforward. The app connects quickly over Bluetooth, no headaches there. And what we really like is that it's not overloaded with a bunch of confusing settings. It's simple. You just pick how often you want to run it, how long you want it to clean, hit start while it's out of the water, drop it in, and it just goes. That's it. So how does it actually clean? It does a really solid job picking up everything from leaves and dirt to hair, bugs, and all that stuff that settles at the bottom of your pool. It climbs the walls, cleans along the water line really well, which is something a lot of these cleaners struggle with. And it does a great job on the floor too. One thing we really liked, the debris basket on this thing is big. You're not going to be emptying this every day. Realistically, you could probably let this run for a week or more depending on your pool before needing to clean it out. And when you do, it's super easy. Pop it off, rinse it off, and you're good to go again. Battery life was also impressive. After a full hour of cleaning, it only used about 12% battery. So you're looking at multiple cleaning cycles on a single charge without any problem. Another nice feature is how easy it is to get out of the pool. It auto docks, and they include a hook so you can just grab it without having to fight any cords, jump in, or try and find it. Now a few things to consider. The buttons on the unit itself can be a little finicky when they're wet, so dry them off before trying to use them. Not a huge deal since you probably will be using the app anyway, but this is still worth mentioning. It also handled the deep built-in steps on this pool better than expected. It actually went right over them and picked up some debris while doing it. Something to keep in mind, depending on your pool setup and design, is things like steps, corners, and tighter spots. These types of robotic cleaners will handle about 90% of your pool, but steps can still be a challenge depending on how they're designed. In our case, it didn't climb up these bull-nosed edge steps, but I believe that's pretty normal for most pool cleaning robots. Now that I think about it, it might be interesting to see if turbo mode would help it climb those edges a little better, so we'll have to try that. One quick tip, make sure the master power switch is turned on before you try to run it. We actually had it charging while switched off, which worked, but it won't run unless that switch is on. Easy thing to miss the first time. Overall, this is about as simple as it gets when it comes to robotic pool cleaners. Easy setup, easy scheduling, solid cleaning performance, and great battery life. If you're looking for something you can just drop in the pool and let it do its thing without messing around with cords or complicated settings, this is definitely one to consider. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.